Hi, so in today's video I'm doing a little bit of a hair review or a wig review for you guys, and also a sort of tutorial of my everyday makeup. Pause, I don't have on lip gloss, give me a minute. I completely forgot. I also just put in my nose ring because you know that's the thing. Ultra Lip coconut. I'm gonna use this Ultra Lip coconut oil by Broadway. You can get it at a beauty supply store. This isn't usually what I use. I usually use Fenty Beauty, the Gloss Bomb. I can't speak. I usually use the Gloss Bomb, but I lost it, so I use this. I usually use a brown lip liner too, the medium brown and regular brown from NYX, but I ran out of those, so I need to rebuy those. But yeah, I mean, it's pretty much, you'll see my makeup routine for the most part. But before we get into the makeup routine, I wanted to go ahead and do a quick little review, or you know, unboxing, first impression of this hair that I'm wearing right now. Girl, is she cute? She bomb. So I'm wearing this hair from Mslula. This was the packaging, or you'll see the clips of the packaging. The packaging I think is really freaking cute. It is a pink and white box. It's got a lady with her hair just flowing on the top of the box, and then on the side it says Virgin Human Hair. It has their WhatsApp number, their email, their Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. And yeah, so I think the packaging is really cute. So when I opened the box, everything was wrapped up in like a plastic bag. As I opened the bag, I pulled out 4 flexi rods. It's just like add more flexi rods to my huge collection of flexi rods. There's so many. But yeah, so there's like these flexi rods. They're like a medium size. They're not like large or small or anything, or super skinny. And then there was also like a pamphlet with the Mslula logo on it as well, and then as well as some rewards, gift cards and everything, and then some tips for wig care. And then they also, on the other side of the pamphlet, had like a wig show section, which had different textures and colors and things like that they have on their website, and then as well as a wig installation tutorial. They have straight hair, body wave, deep wave, loose wave, 613, kinky curl, loose deep, kinky straight, and Italy curl, which looks interesting. I've never heard of an Italy curl. Or loose deep, actually. I don't think I've heard of a loose deep. But the hair that I have on my head right now is kinky straight. And when I took that out of that, oh wait, there was one more part as well. There was this one, this like another one of these things, like with the parts that you know you can fold in half and you can kind of just open it. It's basically got the same things that were in the other pamphlet. And then once I got to the actual wig, it was wrapped up in a separate plastic bag. It was the ones that kind of look like the ones that come on like synthetic wigs and things like that, which I really loved because it's great for storage. And then it also had the Mslula logo and everything at the top with the 20 inches. So I have the kinky straight. I originally wanted like some 613 hair because I really want to do orange hair again, but I'm thinking I may or may not bleach this hair and do orange because it's not too hard to get orange out of darker hair. You know, just bleach it, put some orange dye on it. So I might do that, I don't know, because I think after I do that it'll like really resemble SZA's hair when she had like an orangey, you know, gingery type of colored hair. And I'm not necessarily going for that. I want orange, like orange like from the rainbow orange. I want that. Yeah, we'll see though, because I have a lot of orange hair dye. Anyway, so yeah, I have the kinky straight and it is so beautiful. I love it. I can fool people into thinking that this is my real hair, because it could potentially look like that it is. Again, it's, you know, it's one of those situations where it's like, if I wore this every day, people would think this is my real hair. Like, genuinely would think that. And I am going to work in this today. I did glue this wig down onto my head. I think this is the best I've ever glued hair down. And yeah, as far as like customization to this wig, you'll see any customization I did to this wig on camera other than me running through it with a straightening brush. But yeah, I didn't do any like cutting or anything to the wig. All I did was pluck the part and gave it, the center part, a little bit more definition, and then I also put some of my contour powder onto the part as well, just so that is, you know, it shows up a little bit more, because I do have a black cap on up under this and it just wouldn't have blended well. But yeah, so I mean, you know, other than that, you know what I'm saying, I didn't really do much to the wig. I did that and then I went over it with the Revlon straightening brush. but I didn't record that because it was literally just me brushing through the hair, and the texture didn't change that much at all. Like, it's still kinky. It didn't straighten out and turn silky at all. It's still very much kinky. It's still visually got the texture to it. As far as if I straightened it with a flat iron, I don't know if that will like change the texture at all, but I'm not really trying to because I do prefer it kinky. I think it's really cute and it looks really natural and like realistic. I did want to talk about like shedding and tangling as well because I forgot to mention that type of stuff. Shedding, I have been receiving some shedding. This was a lace front wig. It did have 3 combs in the front and 1 in the back. The combs were behind the lace each side, and then 1 in the center and then 1 in the back. Yeah, it did have adjustable straps. I think I said that already, but yeah, it had adjustable straps and it had laces in the back as well. So I cut the lace on the front, I cut the lace on the back, glued the front down, did not glue the back, debating on doing it, but I'm like, nah, it's too hot. Like, I don't want to like glue that to the back. Anyway, I did receive some shedding, which I expected because I did kind of go into like the hairline a little bit when I was cutting. It was just kind of like I was plucking it as well with the hairline or the part. Yeah, I expected shedding, honestly. Tangling, I'm not really getting any tangling or anything, but of course this is basically fresh out of the box 2 hours ago, so I will update y'all on that again. I'm wearing it to work. I'll let y'all know. Check the details of this wig. As I'm on the Mslula website, it says that this wig is $251.99. Is this a full lace? Because okay, so like when I was opening it or whatever, there was more lace than usual, but there was also like a section that wasn't really lace. It was sort of like that material that a lot of other lace front wigs use. So I'm not sure if it's full lace, although it does say full lace on here. So maybe. I haven't had many full lace wigs in my day. I don't even think I've had one actually. So I'm not really sure exactly what it's supposed to look like, but I have an idea. So I don't know about the full lace part being 100%, but you know, okay. The density is 180% density. Okay, that's what I wanted to know. So it says that it is a pre-plucked natural hairline with baby hair all around. The plucking in the front isn't done too much, which is a good thing if you are someone who does like to customize and pluck your own frontals. But if you're looking for the pre-plucked where you don't really have to do any work at all, then you know, I don't think that this is one of those, but it's not bad or anything. So you know, it's fine. And then the rest of the details and everything will be on the website as well, which I will link. The direct link for this wig will be down below. So this is the hairline. Again, I didn't do any plucking to like baby hairs or anything. This is just more so like when I was using the glue, I went a little past the hairline. That way I could, you know, attach the hair to my face. And it was just kind of like, it makes it look like I did, you know, some like plucking, well not plucking, but like some like customization to baby hairs, but I didn't. And you can also see my my natural edges as well through it, which is fine because, you know, kinky is cool. It matches, it goes well. So yeah, if y'all have any questions as far as the hair goes, just comment down below and I got you. I will, you know, hit you back with anything that y'all need to know. But let's just go ahead and get into the makeup, the makeup portion of the video. Still debating on if I want to do a voiceover or just kind of like let y'all see what I'm doing. We'll see. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and check out Mslula.com. They have a lot of different hair styles over there, so make sure y'all check them out, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Wake up, wake up. Gotta get this paper, get this cake up. Gotta do her hair, gotta put on makeup. Gotta act like I care about that fake stuff, straight up. What a waste of mine, yeah. If I had it my way, I'd roll out of bed, say about 2:30 midday. Hit the block, then hit you up to come over to my place. You show up right away, we make love and then we fuck, and then you give me my space. I'm trying to say, love is ours to make, so we should make it. Everything else can wait. Everything else can wait. The time is ours to nobody here, baby, let's get wasted. We should just get naked. Cause I'll be working hard and I know you'll be on the same shit. Every other day's a different game that you just can't win. I just want it easy, man, to make you feel alright. So you gon' be my baby mama, you gon' be with me tonight. What I am trying to say, love is ours to make, so we should make it. And everything else can wait, everything else can wait. The time is ours to take, so we should take it. It's not love, but it's pretty close. High fudge and a little smoke. God, to the minute means nothing to you. Hands locked on my black couch with nothing to do. Can't stop a car 20. Buried in the drugs, but the feels keep coming. Finally stop crying, but you know still running. Wipe it on my shirt, on the sleeves. Tell me that you wanna do it, babe. I love it when you say guess what? Doing all your fucked up shit. And I wonder why I'm all messed up. Cause you gotta be responsible sometimes. Be a class act, never mind my alumni. I don't wanna be around my baby, so don't mind. I don't see the beauty of a mama on the inside. Curled up with my head on your chest, is the best remedy for the pain. Stress if the world doesn't change, I will never get dressed. It will be like this to the kiss, to the death of my soul. Pole of the blue dream, no. Not a good team, one soul. Two halves, no joke. Who laughs? Just both. Okay, you got this OJ and Jose, mixed it up with that rose. We gon' do this our own way, alright. Okay, what is it that you're smoking? Piece it up with this piece of love and this piece of love that is all day.